what we're going to learn in this example is how the offset tool can also help us to finish off work. What we've got here is a component. It's been drawn in sort of front and top projection, third angle projection, and I just want to add an extra little bit of detail into this section up here, so that I've really got this this piece of hidden detail that you can see here is shown properly. We're already showing this piece of hidden detail there, so what I'm going to do is just zoom in, and we'll start to use the offset tool. Now the offset tool is available up here from Modify. You click on it, just click on it once, and the first thing it's going to ask you to do is specify your offset distance. Okay, now I happen to know that the offset distance that I need is 7.5. Okay, so I'll type in 7.5, and then I'll select the object that I want to offset, this one here, and then I'll select the direction I want to offset in. So I want to offset outside the object, so I'll click outside it. Okay. This is also a sticky tool. So it's also saying to me, well, actually what I want you to do is I want you to now select another object. Now I can either choose to press escape and come out of this, which I can do now, or I could have carried on. If I want to carry on, what I need to do is to press the offset tool again, and notice once that I've pressed that offset tool, it's already remembered the offset distance, that 7.5, that I had in there before. So all I need to do now is press enter to accept that, and I'll select a line, and now this time instead of clicking outside of the object to get it to expand out, what I'm going to do is click inside, and then I want to carry on offsetting, so I want to do this on the lower section. I'll click here and I'll click inside the object, and you see I've offset those lines that match perfectly to this new circle that I created. All that remains for me to do is just press the enter key, and I'll come to my trim command, and I'll try and make this trim work properly. Now I'll press enter again, and I'll trim that object. I won't trim that one, and I'll trim that one and enter, and then I'll just come in and delete these objects. I forgot that it goes to center lines as well. There we go. So there we go. That's quite a very quick and simple way of just finishing off a drawing by using the offset command. Remember, I'll go through that again just quickly for you. We've got a simple box there drawn on a hidden layer, and we'll select it. We'll offset by 7.5, so we offset by 2.5. I'll select my object, and I either click inside the object to inset, or if I click the object and then I click outside the object, you see then I've offset outside. And I've really just got a pretty little pattern here which I don't need anymore, so I just delete it. So really that's offsetting, but also mixed in with the trim tool, it became quite a powerful little command.